Hello and welcome to Smooth Fusion Sitefinity tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Sitefinity out-of-the-box list module and widget. So there are three components to the list feature. There is the list itself, there are list items within the list, and there is the list widget. So I've navigated to the list page beneath the Content tab. To create a list, you simply click here. I'm going to use one that's already created. To create a list item, you do so by creating a list item within that list. And you see here I have a number of items already existing. You can control the title that appears with that list item. You can control the additional information with that item because you might have an expand collapse. You can control the expanded collapse copy as well as categories and tags. I'm going to publish that option. And once we have created our list and our list items, you put this list widget onto the page. Simply select edit, select which list you would like to display. If you can filter it by categories, tags, or dates, you can organize it by a certain order. You can control the template style that you are using, whether it's expanded, collapse, or page list, or highlights, or whatever your custom templates might be. Select what happens whenever those are clicked. Select that, navigate to your front end, and then you could see here is a list that we have, although it is not styled. And whenever you click one, it expands and gives you the entire description that was provided and whether there's tags and categories that are included or not. For more Sitefinity tips and tricks, be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to check out our blog. Thanks.